Okay, Persuasion Part 2. We will be looking at how we manipulate perceptions of trustworthiness and some tricks of persuasion. Okay, so, manipulating perceptions of trustworthiness through testimonials and endorsements. Remember, that's where Jennifer Aniston, I think I said Neutrogena, I think she sells Aveeno lotion. But that is either it's an endorsement. A testimonial would be if I was like, I personally had eczema and I used this Aveeno lotion, and a week later my eczema is gone. We present the message as education or as fact, word of mouth, and the Maven, but we'll discuss those. Okay, so what if I told you that my brand of aspirin is the best, if you use aspirin? So my brand of aspirin is the best. Studies show that it is 100% pure aspirin. No other pain remedy is stronger or more effective. It's buffered. No other brand works faster. It's gentle on your stomach. Sounds great, right? Then I tell you it's 5 times the price, but think of what you're paying for. It's a well-known brand. It's super effective. It's fast. It's gentle. Would you buy it? What are some questions you might ask? First off, I would assume that most aspirin sold on the market is actually 100% aspirin. If it's true of one aspirin that no other pain remedy is stronger or more effective, it is true of all aspirins that no other pain remedy is stronger or more effective. Aspirin is buffered. All aspirin is buffered to make it gentle on your stomach. They don't need to tell you all aspirin is buffered, though, right? And so without researching, and I mean, it's aspirin. Well, you might not research it. Without researching, we might not realize that we could be paying 1/5 of the price for the off-brand or the store brand, the generic brand, for the exact same thing. Okay, so testimonials and celebrity endorsements. Celebrity endorsements and personal or professional testimonials are techniques often used to persuade us to purchase a product or believe a message. If you guys remember on the social animal discussion board, and we talked about the Olympic athlete used to sell Wheaties cereal. Wheaties might still do that. They definitely did when I was a kid. It was always a different athlete on the front of the box. They use that. You'll get big and strong and fast like me, right? And so these kids see this, hey, I want to be big and fast and strong like them. So that is using celebrity endorsement. Children are particularly susceptible to this kind of manipulation. That is why most commercials are aimed at selling something to kids. In a study, more than 400 kids ages 8 to 14 were shown commercials for a model racing set. Some of the commercials featured an endorsement from a famous race car driver. Some included real racing footage, and others included neither. Findings. Children who watched the celebrity endorser not only preferred the toy cars more, but were convinced the endorser was an expert about the toys, not about the actual car. This held true for children of all ages, so whether they were 8 or whether they were 14. They believed the toy race cars were bigger, faster, and more complex than real race cars. They were also less likely to believe the commercial was staged, so they thought it was real footage. That is why they really target kids. So when you grow up a little bit and have kids, be very aware of what it is they're watching. Presenting the message as education. I am not a salesman, I'm a product consultant. This goes back to the aspirin. This aspirin is better, and this is why you should pay 5 times the price. They tell you the truth about their product. They just don't tell you that other similar products are the same. Word of mouth. It has a powerful influence on our decisions. We rely on family, friends, associates. So not only that, we also rely on like what people write on Amazon, right? I said before, I don't buy anything on Amazon unless I have read at least 10, 12 reviews. I want to know if I'm about to, throw my money away, right? So we rely on friends, family opinion, but we also rely on public opinions that we perceive to be objective. So I guarantee you all those reviews you're reading, I'm reading on Amazon, some of those people either got the product for free or they're being, paid to endorse it. The Maven. Okay, this is a Yiddish word. The Yiddish word maven refers to an expert or a connoisseur, such as a friend who can give good advice about a computer for a good price. A maven is someone who knows a lot of people, communicates a lot with all the people, is more likely than others to be asked for an opinion, enjoys spreading the word about what they know and think. Most important, they are trusted. Persuasion professionals target mavens to help spread their message at the grassroots or at us normal people level. Mavens may take the form of established opinion leaders, such as software companies give advanced copies of computer programs to professors to recommend to students and colleagues. Pharmaceutical companies provide travel expenses and speaking fees to researchers willing to lecture to health professionals about the virtue of their drugs. Hotels give travel agents free weekends at their resorts in the hope they will later recommend them to clients. So basically it is targeting someone that they know will spread the word. So here's all this for free, take it, enjoy it. And then that person that's taken it and enjoyed it goes and tells 10 people, and then those 10 people might tell 10 more people, so on and so forth. And all of a sudden, from providing that one person with the free stay overnight, they get 100 people that want to stay in their hotel overnight. Other tricks of persuasion. I'm going to do this in another video.